lovies. So for those who don't know, I recently migrated to the UK from Jamaica as a radiographer. So this is just me showcasing just a little piece of what my day as a radiographer in the UK is like, and I hope you're interested. If you are, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, the whole works. I'm all here. Also, if you want more information on the process of coming to the UK or what my job entails, feel free to let me know. When my alarm goes off in the mornings, I can't just hop out of bed. I have to just stay and with my eyes closed, just to thaw out a little bit and just keep my mind calm, hold a little meditation, say a prayer. And yeah, that's what actually drives me. It's stages to this thing. You can't just hop out of bed and start the day. Well, not me. But yeah, I don't know what it is, but when I spread my bed, I feel as if everything is just organized and I feel like my entire day will fall into place as it should. Another thing in the mornings that gets me going is my playlist. I'm a lover of music, so I start off with my gospel playlist, and that is what actually gives me the drive and energy to continue throughout the day. So before I hop in the shower, I usually just do my face routine. So while I'm doing my face, I'm also boiling my tea. I'm making some tea. This was never me. I was never a tea person. I always hear them say, oh, England people drink a lot of tea. But yeah, now I realize what them talking about. Because me, 2 or 3 times a day, honestly. So because the time is so cold and I don't want my skin to dry out, I damp it with some water and then I rub in some cocoa butter on there. You cannot go wrong with cocoa butter. Yeah, so I pack in my bag now, filling up my water bottle, and I have to bring a snacky snack because girl, I gotta have munchies and so. I honestly never know I spend so much time in front of the mirror until making this video. My God, my late edge, my eyebrow, my moisturized face. I had no idea. I swear I used to just wake up and go work. Oh, I forgot to show you, but I put a second dose of the cocoa butter on my face because not dry skin. You understand? My well oily. No, looking at my eyeliner, look at this, my God. But anyways, you have to prepare for the weather. So I'm going to wrap up my head. You cannot leave out your chapstick. Carmex is it for me. And yeah, so I'm all ready for work and I'm just in the mirror just repeating words of affirmation to myself because I tend to do that for most mornings, not every morning, but most mornings. And yeah, ready for the day ahead. Jesus Christ. No, sir. So this is just a day in the life. Last night I saw snow for the first time. No, it was fun, It was so fun. We had a lot of fun. But, when you think of the reality of going to work during the snow, it's not so fun now, is it? Even though it's alright, I'm not stressing. The beauty about it is that I live right across the street from work. So, that's a plus. But yeah, the place well icy, man. So I finally got to work. Why am I saying finally? Why am I saying finally when it's only 2 minutes? Anyways, I'm now at work and at the entrance, you're supposed to collect a mask. When we reached, only one was left in the box. So I'm not going to take the last one. So I opened the new box, take out a fresh one. Yeah. In the mornings, they provide fruits for employees. So I went and collected my fruit. This morning, they had bananas. So when I get to work, I collect my scrubs and I get dressed. Alrighty. Now I need to get my ID on and stuff. So when I get to work, first things first, I have to clean my work area. I also have to start up the machines and load up the detector. Usually the detector, I have to change the batteries and stuff. Guys, I'm saying detector, but you need to know that this is what is used to actually retrieve x-rays and gain images for patients, pathology, etc. If you want to learn more about my profession as a radiographer, feel free to let me know in the comment section. I love talking about it, so I'll be more than happy to share. Yeah, so I start up the system, signing in, and look at my work list on my iPad, and then I'm ready for the day. One thing with my job, every little second you get a treat, like all around the place, wherever you go, you always see chocolate put down, cake, everything. They always just have treats there ready to give away. So because of patient confidentiality, staff confidentiality, I had to stop recording, if you get what I mean. But yeah, I'm now on break and I'm in the lounge, the employees lounge, and it is so comfortable. I'm all by myself. I have this whole pod by myself, and this is where I come to just have my lunch and relax. One thing I love most about where I'm working is their emphasis on staff mental health and well-being. Oh, fun fact. Lunchtime here is 30 minutes. 30 minutes break. That is it. No look at hour or anything. 30 minutes. Okay, so the work day is over and it was a fairly light day. We never did much. So yeah, I'm heading home now. Alrighty, time to change. Yay! My princess gone. See you later, baby. Bye. Don't worry, later will be greater. So it's home time. I'm going home with my baby. Home. So there's a little supermarket at my workplace as well, so we decided to just stop and get some snacks before heading out. I don't really love coming here not because of the things here, but just because it's self-checkout, and more while I don't even understand the money. So more while I just throw all my coins in and it just give me back my change, and I know that's right. So I'm on my way home now. Work is all over. The plan is just to go home, take a shower, and just relax for the rest of the day. Not that I'm tired, but you know, girl just love relax. Yeah, and that is just the most typical day at work ever. But yeah, that's that, and I'm finally home now. Thank you guys so much for watching my video once again. I really appreciate it, and feel free to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what's on your mind. I love interacting with you guys in the comment section. Bye.